Everything na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. Kele wele na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy.
I'm under no bad. If you give me more lala, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay me now, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay niggas, I'm under no bad. I'm under no bad. Nigga get this bag anyhow we be. Bad as it bad, we go get the money. For that kind life, me not get enemy. That kind bag where they give energy. How they why they treat mama, they fine.
Hello there. Welcome back to my kitchen. Is your favorite baby girl in the building? Welcome to my office. Welcome to another episode. Today, did you see my small azunto? Yes, because we are going to Ghana again. Today we are making kelewele. Kelewele is famous Ghanaian street food. It's simply spicy plantain served with granules. So that is basically it. This particular recipe I'm about to make, I watched the video on 3 different channels. The first person was Sweet Ajele. If you are not a member of Sweet Team, I don't know what you are waiting for. Okay. The second person was Quantira's Kitchen. And the third person was Nanaba's Kitchen. And they are all Ghanaians. So, respect to my Ghanaian brothers and sisters. Love you all. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive into the kelewele recipe. Kelewele recipe. Okay, so here I have my ripe plantain, well ripe. Okay, and I have 1 onion, ginger, cloves, calabash nutmeg, black pepper, and pepper. So I'm going to be quiet. So I'm going to grind all the grindable stuffs here.
I'm under no bad. If you give me more lala, I'm under no bad. I'm under no bad.
So after grinding, I will just add it in my small mortar like this. Next, I'm going to use my grater to grate my onion and the ginger. The onion is making me cry. Now I'm going to add it to my mortar, small mortar, and then mix everything. Just everything is well combined. I'm going to set it aside. Okay, so I have 4 plantain here. I'm going to peel it. I have gone ahead to wash it. So I have special way of cutting it this way. I'm going to transfer it to my bowl and continue with the rest of the plantain. All right, As you can see, I am done cutting the plantain. I'm going to add in the blended or grinded stuffs, the onion, pepper, and all the rest of them. I'm going to mix everything to make sure that everything is well coated. All the plantain is well coated. Now I'm going to add some salt and mix. After mixing everything together, I'm going to use cling film to cover it for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, 20 minutes later, this is our plantain, and I've gone ahead to heat my oil. Going to add in okay guys, this is it. You have to be careful so that the spices will not go off. All right, this is ready now. Ready. Look at that. All the spices, they are just stick on it. Okay. Okay guys, the second batch is done. So one thing about this kelewele, when frying it, you have to exercise patience, guys. If you don't have patience, you won't get it right, honestly. So you have to have patience, enough patience, so that it will fry very well and the whole spices will just stick on it. Okay, so that is it. We are done frying and it's looking good. I'm going to serve it with homemade granules. My homemade granules. I fried it here. So so here is our homemade granules. Everything na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. Kelewele na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. Kelewele na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. Kelewele na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. Everything na yummy, yummy. Everything na yummy, yummy. Everything na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. Oh dear. We are done, guys. Look at that plate of kelewele. Let's have a taste, guys. Look at that. Everything is just spakam. All the spices just spakam there. Okay? With granite. Super. This is good, guys. I don't have any other thing to qualify this, but it's good. So thank you all for watching. Love you all. My people, my Ghanaian brothers and sisters. Love. Okay, I love you all. Love. Much love. Mwah. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted, okay? Okay, let me go and enjoy this kelewele. See you on our next video. Bye.